All right, scribers, new video here on boilerplate. Boilerplate is so awesome in ScribeWare and it's so powerful, and I want to try to walk you through different ways you can use it. So first of all, what is the boilerplate? Well, that's what here is the scope and purpose of a home inspection. So if we scroll down into a finished report, it's the scope and purpose and how to read this report and these little modifiers and so forth. So that's all the boilerplate. Great, we've got boilerplate. So how I would normally use it is we go to the back end, and we could look at my settings and my template. So let's go look at that first. So my report template, I'm in my Orca residential template, and I'm going to use my Orca home inspection boilerplate. So this is where you would want to keep it set, and this would be the default boilerplate that will go with any template. So here, if I were to switch to my commercial, where is that? Or even like my written consult. So notice how when I switch to my written consult template, I've got my consulting boilerplate. So under settings and report templates is where you set the default boilerplate per template you're using. Let's just say you were to, what's really cool about this is, like, if I were to be doing a commercial inspection, for example, I can use my regular residential. I do my commercial inspections sort of to residential standards, so I can use my residential template, and then all I really need to do is go and toggle on. Now I'm inside the client property information page. I can go under boilerplate, and I could move it over to my commercial boilerplate right up here, and then I've got same thing, but now it's kind of a commercial inspection. Pretty powerful. The other thing that you can do is I have set up my template. Let me get out of this. Is a finished report. So we'll go into, like, let's create a new report, and I'm going to use my template. So how I've designed my template is that I don't have anything in it, meaning if I just start this new report and I hit publish, nothing will show up. And I really like that because it means every single thing I put into the report is specific to the building that I'm doing. I don't have boilerplate that's just default boilerplate because, I don't know, somebody might hire me to do a roof. Well, let's say they just want me to do the roof. I could come up here, I could fill in the roof section. When I'm done filling out the roof section, I can switch, oops, not contracts. I can switch my boilerplate down to my consulting boilerplate. And now when I hit publish, I basically just have a little short short report that's just sort of a consulting template. What I could even do for this particular job is go under the report template and turn off the summary page. You will need to remember to turn it back on when you do a full report, but if I do that, I'll have sort of taken my regular residential template and switched it into a consulting job. The other thing I can do is just switch to my written consult template and then see how I have the summary page shut off for that. So in that sense, it's kind of nice to actually choose the template and build it out. But it's pretty flexible. If you need to on the fly, you can go ahead and change boilerplate just within a job right from the home page. From the client property information page. I hope that makes sense. So then where you go to deal with boilerplate? So let's go under settings and boilerplate, and then this is where all of your language lives. And I could basically come in here and edit this. I could delete it, and I could bring in some new stuff, and then as long as I hit save as new, you could rename it, and that'll be your new boilerplate. So I hope that you guys embrace this and it's super valuable to you. It really helps me a lot. I've got re-inspection boilerplate, pest inspection boilerplate, full condo interior, full home inspection, commercial, sewer scopes. Here's a blank one you can start with, and then this consulting one I use a lot. So anyway, I hope this helps and is a nice overview of boilerplate. That you edit the boilerplate just like you would an inspection agreement. And we've even got placeholders where you can put the name in. And this can be really cool if you want your boilerplate to say, hi Bob and Cindy Frank, it was a pleasure working with you. As your boilerplate, you can actually put the client name right up into your boilerplate, which kind of customizes the boilerplate. So I don't do that, but maybe I will. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers.